Hope you all are doing well. This video is for class 3 children. Here we are going to discuss chapter number 6 and this is part first of the video. So let's begin. Chapter number 6, Fun with Give and Take. Cricket match. In a cricket match, Sri Lanka made 235 runs. India has made 123 runs. How many more runs does India need to win? To win, India must make 236 runs. Runs India needs to win 236 minus 123. So now we have to subtract it. So 236 minus 123 and see how it is subtracted here. Okay, and the answer is 113. Right? Try it yourself. Geeta had rupees 368 in her purse. She bought a book for rupees 123. How much money is left in her purse? Okay, so now there is a girl, Geeta, who has 368 rupees in her purse. So now she has bought a book and for rupees 123. Okay, she bought a book of rupees 123. Now we have to tell how much money is left in her purse. So what we will do? We will minus it. Okay, so money left in her purse 368 minus 123. Why 368 minus 123? Because total rupees she had in her purse were rupees 368 and she bought a book for rupees 123. So to find out money left, we will subtract it. Now let's do this question. So this is 368 minus 123. Okay, 368 minus 123. तो आपको क्या करना है? See, what we have done earlier in the chapter give and take, we have used this ones, tens and hundred form. Okay, to add. We have used this ones, tens and hundred form to add there. But here we will use them to subtract. Okay, to minus. So how we will use them? See, first let's see. There is written 8 in the ones place. Okay, in the ones place 8 is written, so we will write 1 8 times. We will write 1 8 times. So let's write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. ठीक है, we have written 8 times ones. ठीक है, and next देखो, this is 6. It is written 6 here. So we have to write 6 times tens. Okay, we will write 6 times tens. In tens place 6 is written, so we will write 6 times tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 times tens. Okay, so now this is 3. So in 100 place 3 is written, so we will write 3 times 100. Okay, we will write 3 times 100. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we have written 3 times 100. So 8 was written in ones place, so we have written 8 times 8, 8 times 1. 6 was written in tens place, so we have written 6 times 10. Okay, and in 100 place 3 is written, so we have written 3 times 100. Clear? Now how do we minus? Okay, now how do we minus? See, in ones place 3, we have to minus 3 from it. Okay, we have to minus 3 from it. Or if you know, you can minus it directly also. But if you want to do it like this, you have to do it like this also. You can do it like this also. Okay. So 8 minus 3. So these are 8. We will minus 3 from them. Okay, we will minus 3 because we have to minus 3. So we will minus 3 out from them. Then 1. I have cut 1, 2 and 3. Okay? You have to minus 3. So I have cut it 3 here. So now how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 5 left. So 8 minus 3 is 5. We will write 5 here. Okay. Similarly, from 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In tens place 6 was written, so I have written 6 10 here. And we have to minus 2 from that. So I will minus 2. 1 and 2. Okay, I have minus 2 from this. Now how many left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so 6 minus 2 is your 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I will write 4 here. Okay. Next is I have written 3 times 100. 1, 2, 3. I have written 3 times 100 because 3 was written in 100 place. Now I have to minus 1 from it. So I will cut 1. Okay, I have cut 1. So now how many left? 1, 2. Okay, so 3 minus 1 is your 2. How many left? 2. So the answer is 245. Okay, 368 minus 123. Your answer is 245. Okay.
Can you help Nabili? Nabili's mother sent her to the market to buy some things. She gave her rupees 245. Nabili bought 1 kg ghee for rupees 127. The shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. Kilogram is written as kg, okay? So there is a girl Nabili whose mother sent her to market to buy some of the things, and she gave her rupees 245. So Nabili bought 1 kg of ghee for rupees 127 and shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. So did the shopkeeper give her the right amount? We have to tell, did the shopkeeper give her the right amount now? Let's find out. So what we will do, we will minus 245 minus 127. Okay, we will minus cost of ghee, which is 127, from total money Nabili had, that is rupees 245. So see how they have subtracted here. This question is already done for you. So see how it is subtracted. First they have subtracted the ones, the numbers that are in ones place value. Okay, so 7 cannot be subtracted from 5, so they have taken 1 borrow from 4 and it became 15. And similarly, okay, 4 one borrow has taken from 4, so 4 has become now 3. Okay, now in next step they have subtracted the numbers of the ones place value. 15 minus 7 is 8. In next step they have subtracted the numbers that are in tens place value. So 3, okay, 4 has become 3. So now 3 minus 2, that is 1. In last step they have subtracted the numbers that are in 100 place value. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 118. So shopkeeper had to give Nabili rupees 118. Now we have to tell how much more money should the shopkeeper give Nabili. So you will do it yourself. You will do 118 minus 98. Okay, why 98? Because shopkeeper has given back rupees 98. So 118 minus 98 will be the amount the shopkeeper gave to Nabili. Practice time. Baby tortoise is 33 years old. Mummy tortoise is 150 years old. How much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? So age of the mummy tortoise is 150 years. Age of baby tortoise is 33 years. And we have to find out the difference between the ages. And we have to tell that how much year the baby tortoise is younger than mummy tortoise. Okay. So to find the difference, we have done 150, that is age of mummy tortoise, minus 33, which is age of baby tortoise. So the answer is 117. So baby tortoise is 117 years younger than mummy tortoise. Next question is, Arvind has read 69 pages of a storybook. So there is a boy, Arvind, who has read 69 pages of a storybook. And there is a girl, Gauri, who has read 95 pages of that storybook. Who has read more pages? So, who has read more pages? Gauri has read more pages. Because Arvind had read 69 pages and Gauri had read 95 pages. So, who had read more pages? Gauri had read more pages. And how many more? To find this out, we will do subtraction. We will subtract 69 from 95. Okay, so 95 minus 69 will be the answer, that how many more pages Gauri has read from Arvind. So now let's see this question.
So now we have to minus 69 from 95. Okay. In ones place 5 and 9 is written, and in tens place 9 and 6 is written. Now we will not use these. Okay. We will not use these place value. What we will do is we will directly minus it. Okay. We will directly minus it. How? See, if I will minus 9 from 5, it cannot, I cannot do that. Okay. Because 5 is smaller number and 9 is a bigger number. So I can't minus 9 from 5. So what I will do? I will take 1 from here. I will take 1 from 9. So if I take 1 from 9, this will become 15 and this will become 8 because I have given 1 to here. Okay. I have given 1 here. So this has become 8 and this has become 15. Now I have to minus 9 from 15. Now I have to minus 9 from 15. See, 15, this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and I have to minus 9 from it. I have to minus 9. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, I have minus 9 from it. Now how much left? 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 was left here, 6. Okay? So 15 minus 9 will be 6. Okay? 15 minus 9 will be your 6. Then 8 minus 6. We have to do 8 minus 6. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Now we have to minus 6 from 8. We have to minus 6 from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many left? 2 left. Okay, 1 and 2. 2 are left. So 8 minus 6 will be 2. 15 minus 9, 6 and 8 minus 6, 2. So the answer is 26. Okay, so we will now directly minus it. So this is how we directly minus it. Answer is 26.
Next question is, Reena noted the electricity meter readings of her house. Last month's reading was 118 units. This month's reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? Okay, so this month's reading. Okay, so we have to tell this month reading. So as we can see in the question, this month reading is 193 units. So you will write here 193 units. Last month's reading was 118 units. So you will write here 118 units. So we have to now find out how much electricity did she use in 1 month. Okay, so what we will do, we will subtract 118 from 193. Okay, so when we will subtract it, then the answer will come, and that answer will be that she used that much of electricity in 1 month. So you will write that answer here in this blank that is given below. She used dash units of electricity. So you will write the answer in this blank. Okay, so we will see this question. Next is, Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125 and trousers for rupees 165. How much money did she spend altogether? So Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees, you will write here shirt for rupees 125. So you will write here 125. Then bought trousers for rupees 165. So you will write here 165. We have to find out how much money did she spend altogether. So we will add the amount that she bought shirt and trousers for. Okay, so we will add the amount of shirt and the trousers. So it will be 165 plus 125. So she spent rupees dash altogether, and in this blank you will write the answer. Let's see this question.
Now we have to minus 118 from 193. Okay, so in ones place 3 and 8 is written. In tens place 9 and 1 is written, and in hundred place 1 and 1 is written. Okay, so we have to minus 118 from 193. Okay, so we will directly minus this. We will not use the place value. We will directly minus it. How? See, can I minus 8 from 3? Can I minus 8 from 3? No, I can't, because 3 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger number. Okay, so I can't minus 8 from 3. So what I will do, I will take 1 from here. Okay, I will take 1, borrow from here. I'll borrow 1 from here. So this 9 will become 8, because I have borrowed 1 from here. Okay, so, and this will become 30. This will become 13. I borrow 1 from here, this has become 8 and this has become 13. Now I have to minus 8 from 13. Now I have to minus 8 from 13. Can I minus 8 from 13? Let's see. 13. Yes, we can minus. Why? Because 13 is a bigger number and 8 is a smaller number. So let's minus 8 from 13. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then 11, 12 and 13. Okay, 13. Now we have to minus 8 from it. We will minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, we have minus 8. Now how much left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how much left? 5. So 13 minus 8 is your 5. 13 minus 8 is your 5. Okay, now 8 minus 1. We have to minus 1 from 8. So this is very simple. 8 minus 1 is your 7. Okay, 8 minus 1 is your 7. Or you can count it also in your finger. Okay, on your finger also you can count it. But 8 minus 1 is your 7. And 1 minus 1 is your 0. Okay, 1 minus 1 is your 0. So answer is 75. Okay, so 193 minus 118. Answer is 75. So now the question is 165 plus 125. Okay, so now we have to add them. We have to plus. Okay, 165 plus 125. So we will add them directly. Okay, we will not make use of them. We will add directly. Like we did directly subtract, we will directly add them. So 5 plus 5 is your, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 plus 5 is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is your 10. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10. 0 and 1 I will write in carry. Okay, 0 I will write here and 1 will go in carry. So now 6 plus 2 is your 6. Then we have to add 2. 6 and we have to add 2. 7 and 8. Okay, 7 and 8. 6 plus 2 is your 8. And 1 is in carry. So 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. And 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Next, 1 plus 1 is your 2. 1 plus 1 is your 2. So the answer is 290. Okay. So 165 plus 125. Answer is 290.
Now here is an exercise. Solve the following. So here some of the questions are given in your book. So these are the questions based on addition and subtraction. So you will do these questions by yourself in this book only. This is your homework. Okay, you will do all these questions of exercise 5 only. You will do these questions in your book only by yourself.
So that's all for today. Keep practicing these questions at your home. We will soon meet with the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Bye-bye.